So good morning friends, I welcome you all. So in the last video I tell you about my screening procedure at Afsb Mysore. Now this video will be in continuation with the previous video we had. So I'll be telling you about day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 experience, mine experience at Afsb Mysore. So starting with day 2, I have my first interview at day 2. First of all, I like to clear that our groups have been divided into 4 parts, that are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So on the 2 days which we are having our interview, so on those 2 days the 4 groups are having their GTO task, and on the days which we are having their interview, at that period of time we are having our GTO task. Okay, starting with day 2, I have my first interview. There are 5 interviews at that board to Afsb Mysore. So I have to report in the waiting hall at 7:30 AM, where one lady came, take me to another waiting room. There we have to give our file. First of all, the interviewer see your file, your certificates and your mark sheets. So he'll be making out the various questions that he can ask you when you go for the interview. So my interview gone for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So the 2 rapid questions were asked by the interviewer, that were like so. Now Saurabh, I'll be asking about your education from class 8 to class 12. This would include your percentage as well as extracurricular activities that you have gone through, and who's your best friend and why is he so. Has your education been financed by any institution, or only the fathers which had done so. The second rapid round was this: tell me about your family background, their occupation, their education, tell me about your neighbors, how do you spend your time with your family, and how much pocket money do you got. So these are the basic 2 rapid questions being asked by the interviewer to me. So basically able to give the answer. So it can be more questions that can be asked. I am not remembering at this moment of time. So now I'll be taking you to my day 3 procedure. The day 3 we are having a rest, and the remaining 4 groups are having their GTO task. Now on the day 4 and day 5 we are having our GTO task. So it would be in the following manner, that first 2 group discussion has been held. Like on the topic, the first topic we have 2 choices. One is electronic vehicles and the other one is why the students are getting higher marks in boards examination. So the other GD topic was Russian-Ukraine war. So 2 GDs has been conducted. So in our first GD we choose the topic electronic vehicle. So 15 minutes for both GD. Now we have GD were followed by group planning exercise. After group planning exercise we have to go for GTO grounds, where we had our progressive group task there, as well as half group task, followed by group obstacle race, and then followed by lecturate. And in the lecturate I got the topic e-learning. I'm very much happy after seeing the chip of the lecture topic. 4 topics have been written, so I got this very easy topic. So that is an average topic, and the interviewer, the GTO officer, would account me for this level of topic. If we choose a higher level and speak very good, then he would account me for a higher level lecture topic. So now I'll be telling about the GTO day 2 task, that were command task followed by individual obstacles. And individual obstacles of the Afsb Mysore I'll be covering in another video. And after that we have our final group task, that would be the conclusion of the entire GTO task. After that we have on the day 5 have our conference, which took place at around 1:30. Mine one gone for 1 to 2 minutes. Generally ND candidates would be taken for only 1 to 2 minutes, or at most 5 minutes. So after that the results were announced at 3 o'clock around. So after that I was found that I was conference out and not recommended from that board. Thank you guys.